Then you have the required part. They are telling you use linear interpolation to determine the y, and also you determine the x. When you're looking for unknown by using linear interpolation, you need to always record this function y is equal to mx plus c. It's something that you need to always record. And now, in the question you have x, you can say let x represent distance from Kawale, and this is in kilometers. Then let y represent the charge in shillings. And how do you get m? M, the gradient. This is like the gradient. Do you recall? The gradient is equal to what? Change in values of y. Do you recall? Over change in values of x. So here you need equation, this linear equation. You can use it to determine any unknown figure. Okay. So how do we get m from our question?
You make it a subject?
Remember, looking for y. So it means that you're going to pick y is in between here. So you're going to get 2 points. You're going to get 2 points. This one and this one, maybe this can be your x1. Then this is y1. This curve is x2. Then this is y2. Okay. So we can choose 2 points on the same line. We can say points. We are using points. The first one is what? 8 and 5,000. Okay.
Yes.
And another point is 12. 8,000. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. So it means that 8 is your x1. You substitute your m will be equal to what? You substitute where there is y2 is this is y2 8,000. 8,000. Then y1 is what?
5,000.
Is 5,000. Then x2 is 4. Then minus 8. What do you get as your m? Now on your calculator, you just open bracket, get 8,000 minus 5,000, close bracket over open bracket, 12 minus 8.
750.
750. So that is your m. That is your m. So what does this one mean? It means that when you substitute in your function, it will be like y is equal to what? 750x plus c. Are you saying that? So it means that you need c. You need c, but how do you get c? You can choose now from these 2 points. You can choose any point. You can choose this. Let's say this is point A. Then also they assume that this is point B. You can choose at point A, or you can choose at point B. You get the same answer. So at point A, 5,000. Okay, we substitute. This is y. Sorry, 8 is x. 5,000 is y. You substitute. So here you have 5,000 is equal to 750
times 8.
times x, which is 8. Then plus C. So what will be your C? C will be 5,000 minus C. Minus what? If you multiply, what do you get? Is it 6,000?
I had done everything
minus
at
6,000.
base. It's 6,000. It's going to be a negative 1,000.
So this is negative 1,000. So when you substitute again in your equation, this will be y is equal to since C is negative, you can say it is negative 1,000. So you can use this equation. You can use this equation to get the unknown. This equation to get the unknown. So you will say that at point C, where you have the unknown, at point C, where you have the unknown. So at point C, x is 11, then y is unknown. Are you saying that? At point C, you have 11 and y. So substitute and get y. So it means that y is what we are looking for. Y is equal to 750 times the x you have 11, then minus 1,000. So your y will be equal to what?
7,250.
Pardon?
7,250.
7,250. So this is how you can get the unknown. This is like first approach. We have two ways you can get this. This is the first approach. Or you simply get if you don't want to use this approach, you will get y. You will be having point A. You'll be having point A. Let's say this is point A. You have already you have this 5,000. Then point. Let's call this. Let me change this. Let me call this. Okay, let me maintain. Our point A, our point B was what? Our point B was where is it?
12.
8,000.
8,000.
Then point C. Point C, it was A. It was what? 11. Then but when you do this approach, it doesn't make sense. Let's call this point B. Point B, let's call this, because this is another approach. Point B, let's be what? 11
y.
Then here, point C, this one. Then you use this formula, you get y, like the way you have it here. So this will be equal to okay, now we change some things here. You can call this one y3. Then you call this one what?
X3.
X3. Then these ones can remain the way they are, isn't it? So you substitute. Y3 is 800. Then Y1 is
5,000.
5,000. Then here x3 is
12.
12. Then then here x1 is what? 8. Then here y2 is y, the one you're
Y.
looking for. Then y1 is 5,000. Then this one x2 is 11. Then x1 is
8.
What?
8.
X1 is 8. So you use this to get y. So I believe from this it will be 750. 750 is equal to here it will be what? It will be this over 3. So this implies that your y minus 5,000 is equal to 750 times 3. So your y is 5,000, rather 750 times 3 plus 5,000. Do you get the same?
Yes.
750. So you can use any approach. Which one is easy?
The second one.
You can use any approach. But if they say you first formulate the linear equation, then the first approach is always the right approach. The first one, where this is a linear equation, this one is your linear equation. Where is it? Our linear equation was where?
Y equals to 750x minus 1,000.
Where is it?
Go down.
Here, eh?
That one.
This one, eh? This one. This is our linear
equation.
If they say you formulate the linear equation, that's approach you must use. Okay. So you can use the same approach to answer part B, isn't it?
Yes, please.
Same approach to answer part B. This one. You use the same approach.
Okay.
So it means that here you will choose these 3 points. This is A. Point A, you have this. Point B, this. Point C, this. Then you can look for the unknown. Is it clear?
Yes, please.
Or if you already have the linear equation, eh? As long as you have the linear equation, you can find the unknown. Eh?
Yes.
Roman, this was Roman 2. This is Roman 2. Roman 2. You will say from your linear equation, from linear equation, which is what? Our linear equation. If you have used this first approach, it becomes very easy. From this, then substitute. So you have point where you need the unknown. It's where? Well, what are those two? X and Y. This is X, this is Y. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
So X, here you're looking for X, then Y is what? 88,500. So you substitute in your linear equation. So in your linear equation, Y is 8,500 is equal to 750X minus 1,000. So 750X is equal to what? Is equal to 8,000. You cross this
plus
one. This is 8,000
plus
1,500 plus 1,000. So 750 x will be equal to what? 9,500. And your x is what?
12.6667.
Which is approximately equal to what?
13.
13 kilometers. Let's see. That's about linear, and I'm done with this area. I'm done with this.
Okay. Yes, please.
Okay, you will always use the same approach to answer your questions.